Little Munty.
Hello, little bird watchers! Today we are going to have so much fun with a special quiz all about bird sounds. Have you ever heard a bird sing? Birds make all sorts of different sounds. Listen carefully. Can you hear that? Which bird do you think makes this soft cuckoo sound? Is it a pigeon or a crow? Yes, that's the sound of a pigeon. Oh, this one is loud. Which bird makes this sound? Is it a crow or a sparrow? That's right, it's a crow. Good job. This one is very cheerful. Who's making this sound? Is it a robin or a duck? Good listening. It's a robin. You are doing amazing. Uh-oh, who's that? Which bird is it? A duck or an owl? Yes, it's a duck. So funny. Listen carefully. Which bird is it? An owl or a parrot? Great job! It's an owl. Owls love the night. This one is tiny but mighty. Who's making that sound? Is it a sparrow or a rooster? Yes, it's a sparrow. You are a bird sound expert. Wow, that's a loud one. Which bird is it? Is it a rooster or a penguin? That's right. It's a rooster. It's time to wake up. Wow, you did an amazing job guessing all those bird sounds. We heard pigeons, ducks, owls, and even roosters. Birds make so many fun and different sounds. So keep listening when you go outside. You're all bird sound champions. Thanks for playing with me today. Keep your ears open for more bird songs. And I'll see you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye.